So it was quite some learning experience, and I think this is really a right format to get events like this in future as well.
To connect to other users of the HIL setups, right, and learning experience from other users and see some tricks and traits.
To see how we can reuse and improve also the future and the use of HIL and make it really part of a future standard or default way of development.
And have a networking with your other customers.
Look left and right beyond what you are doing, and then interesting interactions with other people from using HIL, for what they use it for, what is their experience.
The same issue, or maybe they have similar issues, and it is a good way to share knowledge among us, that we are researchers in the end.
Yeah, the interest of this kind of meeting is to share experiences. We all do the same thing, but with different words in different countries, but finally we follow the same way.